these bamboos, I am creating a structure for the apples to be off the floor and to have better sun exposure. Now I'm going to be putting two of these across, like that. And then we have the little guys. I will be filling them up with apple slices and then pretty much just hang them here. They should have plenty of hours of sun and they shouldn't take too long. I'm thinking 3 days. So let's start by washing the apples. Oh, they smell so good. There's so much abundance here that I just think about preserving for the winter. Come. There you go. So now what I'll do is, I'm gonna take a little bit of peel, but not that much. So I just want to take some, here and there. And I don't leave it all because this apple, I believe it's Gala, Royal Gala. If it's all there, it's going to be a little bit on the chewy side. It almost feels like plastic. I don't know if all the apples are the same, but I know I've tried them before and they were amazing, super sweet. But the fact that I left the whole skin, it made it a little bit plasticky. So I'm going to try with less. So the size of these slices. No specific measurements, just, slices like that. The core. I asked my husband to make a tool, which is a piece of copper pipe. He just sanded it down a little bit on this end here. Let's see here. See? Beautiful. This one here, for example, as you can see, it's a little bit bruised. So I don't want to use this because, you want to use just healthy ones since you're going to dehydrate them and keep them for a couple of months. If that's the case. That's why we need to handle them with care. So I do about 4 or 5 and then I remove the core from my tool because it's going to get filled up and then it's harder. You see that? So cute. How pretty. And we're done. We have quite a bit of apple slices already, so let's hang them. my tools, my apples. I'm so excited about this. I'm just gonna space them evenly just so the sun can get to all of them. These bamboos are really useful. They grow on the side of the road here in central Portugal, and people use them for various things. They're very durable. They last for years. You can wash them once you're done with them and just reuse them. And the last one. So this was in total about 5 kilos of apples, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of apple slices dehydrating in the beautiful sun here in central Portugal. In the evening I have to take them inside and then bring them back once the sun is out. We don't want them to get any moisture from the night. We want them to be nicely dehydrated so they can preserve for a couple of months, maybe. I doubt it, because we'll eat them all. So now we'll check on them daily and I'll let you know how it's going. So in the evening, you bring them inside. As soon as the sun is out, they're gonna be out there. This is day 2, and as you can see, they're showing good signs of dehydration, which is what we want. So this is day 3, and they're looking pretty good already. And they're ready, these beauties. Amazing. Nicely dehydrated. Now these bamboos, they last forever, so I'm gonna save them up for next time. It doesn't have to be on sticks, on a platform like mine. I just happened to do it that way because I thought it would be a good idea. But it could be done differently. You can use something else, or you can just put them on a net or on a tray and still dehydrate them like that. It's so good. Organic dried apples. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna put them in this jar to enjoy anytime you like. It's a great snack. Press them down a little. Try to fit as many as I can. Oopsie. Removing some of the skin and keeping some on is a great idea. Looks so good. Awesome. That's it. We'll eat these for now, and these ones will be kept for later. Beautiful. Love it. So guys, this is it here in the countryside in central Portugal. If you have some apples, here's an idea on what to do with them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the video, comment, like it, and don't forget to keep up with Linda. Ciao!